All right, back with the CRF450 detuning project, and here is a new piston that I had readdressed. So what happened is the stock piston that I had made for it in the first video, the wrist pin was too close to the bottom of the piston here, which indicated they built the pistons off the 2009. So I reached back out to JE, addressed the issue, and they sent me some new pistons. So these are the correct ones now. They've addressed the issue, and now we're back in business. So anyway, there's the cool custom piston. If you have a desire, reach out to JE Pistons. They'll make you some pistons. And got the cylinder back from Fastheads. It looks pretty good. Yeah, they put the nice titanium valves in there. They're the Del West. So anyway, they did a really good job of this. Anyway, I'm ready to put that together. And then got the crank back from Crankworks. And I have to drop this thing. There's the Carrillo rod. Doesn't that crank look good? Crankworks did a good job on that crank. Anyway, it's all balanced, ready to go. And then I also did the, how do you explain it? I took the piston, I took the rings, and the wrist pin that's underneath there, weighed that all up, weighed the connecting rod on a scale, and then figured out the rotational weight, and then the con rod weight, and then basically did a balance on it and checked it at, I'm at 49%, which is pretty close to stock. Stock is 51, so anyway, we'll see what happens with the difference in balance. So anyway, that's kind of how that's going to work out. Cylinders ready to go. So anyway, we did a few things. Engine still tore apart all over the place, waiting for some stuff. Ended up finding out let's zoom in here a little bit. The transmission had a problem with a couple of the gears, so I reached out to a couple places online. Ended up getting a whole bunch of gears. And anyway, got to go through all these and get them all situated where I need so I can go ahead and build it. Get the transmission all up to where it should be, and then obviously get the cases cleaned. I got the gear off of the clutch basket, ended up throwing the clutch basket in a lathe and cutting off all the rivets. And anyway, so I got that ready, and that's going to go on to that clutch basket. I don't know if you ever messed with one of these. You have to pull that plate off the back. There's your dampers in there. Anyway, take that plate off, put the ring gear on, bolt it back up, torque it to spec, and away you go. Steel clutch basket. So hopefully that should never wear out and give some rotational inertia to trying to trail friendly this bike. So anyway, parts, basket, transmission gears. I said back over here, I got bearings for the transmission, got the crank, got the cylinder head, cylinder, and the redone pistons from JE. Anyway, we're ready to start cleaning up this thing, getting ready to go back together for all those guys that want to see what happens when you detune one of these 450s. But anyway, too much stuff to worry about. We'll start one thing at a time and see if we can get it done. Until the next video.